Setting up a connected EFTPOS terminal in AAAPOS RetailManager. This guide walks through configuring the terminal, connecting it to RetailManager, and setting up additional options for certain EFTPOS terminal models. Go to the Setup menu and select Hardware to access the hardware configuration options. In the Hardware windows, click on the EFTPOS tab. This is where you'll configure your EFTPOS terminal settings. In the model list, select the specific EFTPOS terminal model you're using. The supported models include ANZ-POS Plus, CBA Premium Plus, DPS Payment, Express Integrated EFTPOS, NAB Integrated via PC EFTPOS, Linkly, Tyro IP EFTPOS, Westpac One-Way, Two-Way, and more. If you're unsure which terminal model to choose, refer to your financial institution or EFTPOS provider for assistance. Next, in the serial port list, choose the port your EFTPOS terminal is connected to on your computer. This is typically a serial or USB port. Important note: if you're using other RetailManager hardware, such as a POL display, make sure the EFTPOS terminal is connected to a different port to avoid any conflicts. Once you've selected your EFTPOS terminal model and port, click Apply to save the settings. After applying, you can close the window. See Payment Types options under the Setup Options menu in the RetailManager video tutorials on how to edit payment type. Additional settings for specific terminals. Ingenico PC EFTPOS Linkly, DPS Payment Express Windcave, and Tyro IP EFTPOS terminals offer additional features you can configure. Signature slips on docket printer. If you have an Ingenico PC EFTPOS, DPS Payment Express, or Tyro terminal, and a docket printer, you can choose to print signature slips on your docket printer instead of the default printer. To enable this, go to the Printing tab under Setup, Options, Printing, Settings, and select the Use Docket Printer for Signature Slip option. Restrict staff from processing refunds. For enhanced security, you can restrict staff from processing refunds on certain EFTPOS terminals. This option can be configured in the Security settings, under Setup, Security. By enabling the Lock PC EFTPOS, the DPS Payment Express Integrated EFTPOS, or Tyro IP EFTPOS Refunds option under Miscellaneous. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!